this is Ollie.
This is Lily.
And we are going to be opening some mouthful of avengers. Lily's going to be opening trolls, blind bags.
And we've got some mashems.
I'm going to be opening Paw Patrol.
Mashem.
And you're going to be opening Marvel Avengers. So let's go. I'm going to open the mashem first.
Me too.
I got, but I don't know their names. I think this is Rubble.
Yeah, that's Rebel.
Got it right.
You show it to the camera.
Back them up. Got Rubble.
I got this.
Rubble.
Oh, like an evil Spider-Man is that?
Yeah, Rubble is now going to sleep. Night night.
Night night. Night night, Daddy.
So now we are going to be opening our blind bags.
Yeah.
And I've got the Marvel Avengers.
Trolls.
Both of them. I normally do that. It's so hard to open, guys. Oh, did it. Yeah.
Hard.
I got...
Yeah.
Right, let me see who this is.
That's the wing guy.
I don't know who she is. Guys, tell us down in the comments who she is. Okay?
But I could open this, guys.
I'll open it. Yeah, it's different, this one.
Would you like Mummy to help you?
Yeah, but Mum is going to help. All the rubbish over here.
Oh, there you go. Ah, you got the guy that farts glitter.
And I got the guy who farts glitter.
Lily, now. So this is who we got. I got whoever this is, and I've got Rubble.
And then I got that mashem, but I don't know the name. And I got a troll. But don't really stand. So.
I'll try and make it stand up. There we go. So I hope you enjoy it, and please give 1,000 likes for this video for a party. And I'll see you next time.